The Fluidwell N413 is a powerful and user-friendly panel mount batch controller with full numerical keypad and receipt printing functionality. This provides excellent tracking capabilities for all performed batches. End-of-batch tickets can be printed automatically, manually, or after a confirmation. Multiple reprints are easily executed on demand. Even in the unexpected event of an uncompleted batch, is it possible to print a receipt. The printed ticket contains a ticket header, date and timestamp, unit ID, number of completed batches, delivered total and accumulated total from the batch controller. The ticket header, unit ID and the numbers of rows above and below the printed area can easily be customized through the Setup menu without any additional software required. The crystal clear LCD display provides multiple batch control data simultaneously, including the measuring unit, the preset value of the batch in 10 digits of 8mm 0.3 inch. The actual batched total is displayed with 7 large digits of 14mm 0.56 inch. A visualization of the batch process is indicated by the vessel. The relay, overrun correction feature and functional status overview can be viewed in the upper right corner. More process information can be viewed after a keypad touch of the functional keys. Press Rate to view the actual flow rate. Press Total to view the actual resettable total. And press it again for the accumulated non-resettable total of all deliveries. Press Count for the number of completed batches. The bright backlight is a standard feature in all N-series models, ensuring perfect readings in all lighting conditions. The full numerical keypad makes it very easy to enter and change a preset value. Press the Prog Enter button and enter the required preset value. Press the Prog Enter button again to accept the new preset value. Operation of the N413 batch controller is easy. Once the preset value has been set, simply press Start to begin the batch process. Press Hold to pause the batch. To resume, press Start again. The batch process will continue from where it was paused. When you pause the batch and then press Reset, the batch process will stop. It is now ready to begin a new batch process by pressing Start again. Fluidwell users all around the world appreciate the simple, intuitive menu structure. It saves significant time and cost in installation and programming. Use the Prog Enter button and the arrow buttons to enter the configuration menu, to change and to store the settings, for example, to set the minimum and maximum batch size parameters, or to set the digital and control outputs. Those familiar with a Fluidwell product will be able to program and install the N-series without a manual or hiring technical experts. Know one, know them all. The multiple configurable outputs make the N413 a versatile and powerful batch controller. The two heavy-duty, field-replaceable relay outputs have a maximum switching capacity of 8 amps. Relay 1 is fixed as the main batch control output. Relay 2 and the 3 transistor outputs can be configured for pump control with time delays, 2-stage batch control, alarm output, or to transmit a pulse signal. Fluidwell can provide 3 types of ticket printers, which are available as an accessory: a handheld battery-powered printer and 2 panel mount printers, a 3.5 to 8.5 volts DC powered or a 100 to 240 volts AC powered printer. A pair of stainless steel mounting brackets are available for applications where shocks and vibrations can be expected. Other features are no flow monitoring alarm feature to alert an operator, automatic overrun correction for accurate batching every time. Power requirements of 24 volts DC or 110 to 230 volts AC. 8.2, 12 or 24 volts DC sensor supply. 5 remote control inputs to start, hold or reset the batch process, to lock the keypad and to trigger an external alarm, which interrupts a running batch immediately. Ability to process various types of volumetric and mass flow meter input signals like reed switch, open collector, NPN, PNP, Namur, coil or active pulse input signals. IP67 Type 4X aluminium front panel. Battery backup to maintain real-time clock and date. Backup of all settings. Backup of running totals every minute. The Fluidwell N413 is a versatile, powerful and user-friendly panel mount batch controller, suitable for applications where you need a locally printed ticket as evidence of the delivered quantity, like tank and truck loading applications. For easy batch control applications with local ticket printing, you've got to have a Fluidwell.